Listen up, folks. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is taking the financial world by storm. No longer the stuff of science fiction, AI is rapidly changing how we invest, manage risk, and conduct business. From algorithmic trading to fraud detection, AI is everywhere on Wall Street. But what exactly is AI? In simple terms, it's like giving a computer a brain. AI systems can analyze massive amounts of data, spot patterns humans might miss, and make decisions based on that information. This makes them incredibly powerful tools for financial institutions looking to get ahead. The rise of AI in finance is undeniable, but as with any major technological shift, it's not without its concerns. Some fear AI will automate jobs out of existence, leaving countless financial professionals jobless. Others worry about the ethical implications of giving machines so much control over our money. Let's address the elephant in the room: job displacement. It's no secret that AI has the potential to automate many tasks currently performed by humans, and the financial sector is no exception. Jobs that involve repetitive, data-heavy tasks like data entry or basic analysis are particularly vulnerable. This fear is understandable. Nobody wants to see their job replaced by a machine. But it's important to remember that AI is not about replacing humans entirely. It's about augmenting our abilities and freeing us from tedious tasks so we can focus on what we do best: thinking critically, solving complex problems, and building relationships. The key to thriving in an AI-driven world is adaptability. Financial professionals who embrace lifelong learning, develop new skills, and focus on areas where human judgment is critical will be best positioned for success. Don't buy into the hype. AI isn't here to steal your job. It's here to make your job easier and more efficient. Think of AI as your new best friend on Wall Street, not some job-stealing robot. AI is a powerful tool that can help you make smarter, faster, and more informed decisions. Imagine analyzing mountains of market data in seconds, identifying potential investment opportunities before anyone else, or detecting fraudulent transactions with pinpoint accuracy. That's the power of AI in finance. By automating routine tasks, AI frees up your time to focus on what really matters: building relationships with clients, developing innovative strategies, and navigating the complexities of the market. AI in action: real-world examples of AI powering financial decisions. Let's get real, people. AI isn't some futuristic fantasy, it's already happening all around us. From Robo-Advisors that create personalized investment portfolios to AI-powered chatbots that provide instant customer service, AI is changing the face of finance. Take algorithmic trading, for example. These sophisticated AI systems can analyze market data in real time, identify patterns, and execute trades at lightning speed, far beyond human capability. This not only makes trading more efficient but also helps to level the playing field for individual investors. Another example is fraud detection. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of transaction data, identify suspicious activity, and flag potential fraud in real time, preventing financial losses and protecting consumers. The future of finance: humans and AI working hand in hand. The future of finance isn't about humans versus machines. It's about humans and machines working together. Think of it as a partnership, where each side brings its own unique strengths to the table. Humans excel at creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. We can build relationships, understand complex situations, and make nuanced judgments based on experience and intuition. Machines, on the other hand, are masters of data analysis, pattern recognition, and speed. They can process information at lightning speed, identify trends we might miss, and perform repetitive tasks with unwavering accuracy. By combining the best of both worlds, we can create a financial system that is smarter, more efficient, and more equitable for everyone. So embrace the future, folks. AI isn't the enemy, it's the key to unlocking a new era of prosperity in the financial world. What's your take? Could AI ever replace the human touch in finance? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if this topic interests you, check out our video on Will Blockchain Take Over Banking? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the evolving world of finance.